eat you. Today I'm in Diorama and we gonna make food and we're gonna get here the stuff. After we're gonna go home and make the food. Now I made everything and I'm not doing all of this alone. I'm doing it with my friend Olivia. Hi guys, I'm best friend with Olivia and today I'm gonna cook with you guys too. Let's go start it. Okay guys, we have egg, bread, milk, salt, oil. Let's go. Now we have bread. I'm gonna try. Let's go. Oh, oopsie, wrong way. I'll keep this off. Good job, you did it perfectly. Your turn. Okay. We have 4 pieces. We now crack the egg. Oh, sorry, this way. Get out! Yay! Salt. And mix it correctly. No, now we put oil. Okay, another one. Okay guys, you want more of this video? And then hit that subscribe button and put your comments in to make more food. Yummy. Okay guys, you want more of these videos? And hit that subscribe button and end the video and goodbye. Bye.